Welcome guys, welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that Realme Smart Cam 360 degree, that is Wi-Fi smart CCTV camera, that how we can easily reset this device if it's not working properly. Yes, you are listening right. If your camera is not recording properly, it's giving you any kind of errors, it's not giving you live preview on your Wi-Fi, or you are not able to use it or handle it, then what you can do, you have to reset this device and set up it again. Before resetting, I am requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and keep in mind that if you reset this device, you have to set up it again. But you can check out video in the I button and description for that, how you can reset this device, set up this device. Now we're gonna let you know that how you can reset this device. It has this power port over here. You have to place cable inside of it, and it should be powered on, and its indicator should be on. And after that, you can check out, it has a reset button is over here. You have to press this button and keep pressed until its lights starts blinking, and after that it start giving you indications that your device is reset now. And after that, you can easily set up it again, and your device will be started working properly. So if you liked this video and understood that how you can reset this video camera, then don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.